Well, my video got stopped again by accident. I'm not even gonna curse now. It makes me mad, but oh well, I gotta start again. Make sure you get that cooling hose on first before you get that oil cooling filter housing, that one piece that I put on last, that's marked green. Make sure you get that cooling hose first, then put that on, and then put this. Well, make sure that you get that hose on first before you get that on and the cooling hose. Now we gotta put the torque booster charger on. Hopefully that hose that we put on right now, that we screwed onto the engine block, hopefully it's not in the way. I'm gonna put the clamps back on, and hopefully it don't give us no issues. There you go. Now we're gonna put the turbo booster back on. Alright, we got the turbocharger booster on again. Now I'm gonna climb down there and screw in the other line to the turbo booster. Alright, there's that line. I gotta see if I can screw it in. I put some sandblaster lubricant and I torched it so I can turn it easy by hand. Here we go. Like I said, I paused, I stopped the video by accident again. So another dumb video. I like to just make one per day. I got that in now. At first, I was wrenching it and the hose would turn. So I broke it loose over here, broke it loose a little bit, give it some kind of play, and it was still, turning the hose. So I put some, I torched it with the torch gun a little bit, maybe, I don't know, less than a minute. And then I was able to turn that nut without the hose moving. Phew. Now I gotta tighten that, and then that. Both are 17 metric. I let that cool down, and then when I was gonna wrench it, it was trying to turn the hose, the whole thing. So I torched it up until the nut was loose, less than a minute, and then just wrenched it all the way. I tightened that down the best I could. Hopefully it don't leak. So need all that stuff. What was the purpose of that there? What was it holding down? The gasket? I got them all on. They're loose, they're not tight. I use that. I'll use the long extension 10, stubby, that extension, the swivel ratchet. I use that too. 1/4 inch ratchet, 10 metric. I'm gonna put that on next, the oil feed line. Just double checking, make sure that there plastic goes in. Because I pushed the other one in. was trying to remove it, but it's hard. Easy outs don't go in that deep. I mean, it won't let the easy out go in that deep. Screwdriver, I'm gonna try a screwdriver. Both ends have a lip on it, like a wiper lip, because there's two washers. Like a wiper lip, seems like. T40. I'm having a difficult time snapping that oil feed line into that port. I'm having a difficult time, just does not want to push in. One thing or another, just something going on. It was just non-stop. Yeah, brand new one. You think it just slide in there, pop in there, but no, it won't. It just at a weird angle. I used the E10 torque screw, the longer one, the one that goes on the Cadillac converter, front Cadillac converter guard. I put that in first, didn't tighten down, it's still loose, and then I went to this end, got that longer I got the longer T40 screw. Then I wrenched that side, and then with the rubber hammer I hit it, and it went down. Then I wrenched on that side again, then I hit it again, it went down further, wrenched on it some more, went down further. Then I took the long T40 screw out, and then put the regular small one, the stubby one. Then I wrenched it, then I hit it, and then it snapped on. Then I torqued it, and I put a washer underneath there, you see it, for me. But there, so far I got everything on so far. I got the exhaust manifold, nothing's tying down, just the hose right there, the hose clamp, and then that bolt, the 17 side, bolt. It gave me a hard time, but the exhaust manifold is still loose. And I'm gonna see what's up next. That's the rubber hammer I used. I'm gonna try to install the return oil line. I'll try. And now I'm calling it a night. I got those two in there. That they're snapped on with the thing facing you. This here. Facing the radiator fan. Got that sensor on, snapped in. Still needs a hose clamp for that. Make sure I tighten everything down tomorrow. I'll put the front Cadillac converter in.